Do you grind achievements like the electric remains do? Yeah, I have every achievement done in Dead Rose right now. What's up, Euro? Yeah, by the way, guys, this is going to be our last Dead Rose game before we make a vote for next game, guys. So stay tuned. If y'all got a nice game, a favorite game other than Dead Rails, let me know, and I'll try to add it to the poll. We're gonna pick between 5 games and see what the next game will be. So stay tuned, everybody. 2008. Got you, bro. Why that in? Why is it so quiet? Cause my voice hurts. I yelled too much yesterday, and it just didn't heal. Gotta just wait. I mean, you should heal me. I don't know why you don't heal me. You should heal me just fine. Might be a little bit lower, but my mic still picks it up because I added settings to it to pick up low voices to make them similar to the high. Peta peta. Ah. Don't see anything because it's dark as frick in this game, man. Yeah, I'll add it. I got you, bro. Minecraft or peta peta. How about Bloxcraft? That's like Minecraft, but in Roblox. I can add that. I don't know if it'll win though, but we'll see. I'm almost dead. I'm almost dead. You want my purple headset? Is it that good? Don't oof, I got you, Kiza. For the boys. If we don't win this won't be my last game. We gotta win this shit. I'm gonna just drink my snake oil. But now I'm just gonna have one though. Oh man. Oh shit. What? Come on.